Procedure-oriented programming, object-oriented programming. Procedure programming. In a procedure-oriented approach, the problem is viewed as the sequence of the things to be can be, such as reading, calculating, and printing. Object-oriented programming approach is to remove some of the flaws encountered in the procedural approach, which treats data as critical element in the program to development and does not allow it to be freely around the system. It focuses on the functions. The technique is to divide a large problem into the smaller problem. In the procedure program, in a multi-function program, many important data items are placed as a global so that they may be accessed by all the functions. Each function may have its own local data. It ties the data more closely to the function that operate on it and protect it from accidental modification from the outside function. Global data are more valuable to the changed by a function in a large program. It is very difficult to identify what data is used by which the function. In case we need to revise an external data structure, and we also need to revise. OOPS allows decomposition of the problem into number of entities is called objects, and fine builds the data and function around these objects. Emphasizes is a data rather than the procedure. Programs are divided into what are known as objects. Data structures are designed all functions that access the data. This provides an opportunity for the bugs to creep in. The characteristics of the object. The functions that operates on the data of the objects are tied together in the data structure. Procedural program. An object-oriented program. Typical structure of procedure-oriented programs emphasizes is doing things. Large programs are divided into smaller programs known as the functions. Most of the functions share the global data. Data move openly around the system from function to function. Function transfer data from one form to another form. The employs top-down approaches in the program design. In the object-oriented program, organization of the data and the function in OOP. Data is hidden and cannot be accessed by the external function. Objects may communicate with each other through the function. New data and the function can be easily added whenever necessary. Follows bottom-up approach in the program design.